In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft OAuth 2 in n8n and use it in a workflow. We'll begin inside n8n with a simple manual trigger. This trigger doesn't do any heavy lifting. It's just a convenient way to start the workflow by clicking Execute so you can test your authentication later without waiting on external events. Add the manual trigger to a new workflow and keep it as your starting point. Next, create the Microsoft OAuth 2 credential that everything else will rely on. In n8n, open Credentials, choose New Credential, and select Microsoft OAuth 2. Here, you'll paste the client ID, client secret, and the redirect URI from your Microsoft app registration in the Azure portal. Make sure the redirect URI you enter in n8n exactly matches what you configured in Azure, character for character, including protocol and path. While you're here, set the appropriate scopes based on what you plan to do later. At minimum, include a scope that lets you read your profile if you intend to test with a me call. Save the credential, and when prompted, complete the Microsoft sign-in and consent flow. Keep your client details secure and avoid sharing them publicly. Now let's show where this credential is used. Add an HTTP request node after the manual trigger. Set authentication to OAuth 2 and select the Microsoft OAuth 2 credential you just created. This tells n8n to handle the token exchange for you, so your requests to Microsoft APIs include the right authorization header automatically. Time to test the credential. In that same HTTP request node, switch to a simple GET request against the Microsoft graph, such as https graph Microsoft.com v1 0OME. Execute the node. A successful response should return your profile data with a 200 status code, confirming that OAuth is working. If you see an authorization error, double-check that your redirect URI matches in both places and that your chosen scopes include permission for the endpoint you're calling. Re-authenticate the credential if you adjusted anything. With authentication verified, you can use it in real workflow actions. Add a Microsoft node, Excel, OneDrive, or another Microsoft integration, and select the same OAuth 2 credential in its authentication dropdown. Configure the action you need, like listing files in OneDrive or reading rows from an Excel worksheet. Then execute the node to confirm everything runs end-to-end. From here, you can chain additional logic, map fields, and build out your automation, all backed by your secure Microsoft OAuth setup.